Hi, my name is Arnest. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I am a journalist. I use a smartphone to tell stories. I use a smartphone to make money online. And I'm also a content creator, a YouTuber. Welcome. On this channel, you learn how to make money online. You're going to get financial advice, financial facts. We're going to talk about finances and how to make money using a smartphone, and also how are we going to tell stories and changing the lives of people using smartphones. So if this sounds very interesting to you, stick by, because I'll be posting my content every single week to encourage you, to show you, to educate you, to entertain you, and to make you happy, and also to educate you at all times. So if this finds very interesting, ensure you subscribe and make sure you introduce yourself in the comments below, so that we can make a beautiful community where we can work together and see where we go. See you in my next video. My name is Arnest. Continue watching.